Why did you want to spray a brand new truck? Because it
Well,
looks very clean and tidy.
Yeah, I know, and I'm actually hoping it'll stay that way. This is the first time I've actually managed to spray a brand new truck, and I've spent a good amount of time on it. I've greased up all of the bolts I could find. I've sprayed.
What did you grease it up with?
I used that the Lanoguard grease that they supply, and I've literally sprayed everywhere. I'm just going to finish up here a little bit, and then I'm going to spray the actual protective skid pans that they've got on this vehicle. Put it back together, and then we'll go and have a look at yours. And then hopefully in a year's time, when we get back under this vehicle, it's going to be in good condition. So I just want to finish these last ones, because this is where all the main, I'm going to give this a second coat, because this is where the main spray comes up on the vehicle. I mean, when you look in there, it's a nightmare for salt. So I'm just going to give it just a wee bit of a spray.
How easy does it apply?
Oh, Brian, it's amazing. If you look at the floor here, right, can you see any drips on this floor?
No.
Sprayed the whole vehicle there, nothing. So I was really pleased, and it was reasonably warm as well. So I'm just spraying up the top here, get this done. I actually put a bit of grease on the splash covers for the discs, so I didn't have to spray in that area. I just put it onto the paintbrush. Just do a bit here, and I made sure I came back this way as well. A lot of moisture and water gets there. Just spray under here nicely. But this has already been sprayed. As I said, this is really just the second coat to make sure that it will have some kind of better protection.